Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to block someone on Gmail, so let's get started. Open the Gmail application on your smart device and check if you are logged into your account. By opening the Gmail application in your inbox, find the email from the sender you want to block. This will make the process easier. Click on the email from the sender you want to block to open it. In the email, look for the three vertical dots icon located in the upper right corner of the email, next to the reply button. Click on them. Clicking on the three vertical dots will open a drop-down menu where you will search for the block option and click on it. Once verified, Gmail will block the sender, and their future emails will automatically be directed to your spam folder. And that is that. You have successfully blocked the sender on Gmail. You will no longer receive emails from them in your inbox. And there it is. By following these simple steps, you can easily block someone on Gmail and save your inbox from spam. If this guide helped you, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.